Why choose biodegradable wedding confetti or more traditional options? Wedding confetti has been a popular way to celebrate for centuries, but as more couples strive for eco-friendly weddings, the question arises, should you choose traditional wedding confetti or opt for a biodegradable wedding confetti that won't harm the environment? We will explore the pros and cons of biodegradable and traditional wedding confetti so you can make an educated decision when it comes to celebrating your special day. We'll cover topics such as cost, customization, environmental impact, and more. Types of wedding confetti. There are a variety of wedding confetti options to choose from, each with its own benefits. Traditional confetti is typically made from paper or plastic and can be harmful to the environment. Biodegradable confetti is made from natural materials like bamboo or rice paper and will decompose over time. If you're looking for something unique, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly, biodegradable confetti is the way to go. Biodegradable versus traditional confetti. When it comes to wedding confetti, couples have two main options, biodegradable and traditional. So, which is the best option for your big day? Biodegradable confetti is made from natural materials like paper and cornstarch. It's eco-friendly and will break down over time, making it a great choice for couples who want to reduce their environmental footprint. Plus, it's safe for both indoor and outdoor use. Traditional confetti is usually made from plastic or metallic foil. While it may be more affordable than biodegradable confetti, it's not as eco-friendly since it doesn't break down over time. And, if you're planning an outdoor wedding, you'll need to be careful with traditional confetti since wind can blow it away and into sensitive areas like waterways. The environmental impact of wedding confetti. When deciding what type of confetti to use at your wedding, it's important to consider the environmental impact. Traditional wedding confetti is made from paper or plastic and can take years to degrade in the environment. Biodegradable confetti is made from natural materials like rice, flower petals, or even bamboo and will degrade much more quickly. While biodegradable confetti may cost a bit more upfront, it's a more sustainable option that will minimize your impact on the environment. If you're looking to make your wedding as eco-friendly as possible, consider using biodegradable confetti instead of traditional options. How to make your own biodegradable confetti. Assuming you would like a step-by-step guide on how to make your own biodegradable confetti. To make your own biodegradable confetti, you will need the following items. 1 cup of finely shredded paper. 1 tablespoon of cornstarch. A teaspoon of water. A mold. You can use any shaped mold, but we recommend using a heart-shaped mold to fit the theme of love. Instructions. 1. Combine the paper shreds, cornstarch, and water in a bowl. Mix together until the ingredients are fully combined. 2. Spoon the mixture into the mold. Use your fingers to press the mixture into all of the nooks and crannies of the mold. Be sure to pack it in tightly. 3. Let the mixture sit in the mold for 24 hours so that it can harden. Once it has hardened, carefully pop your confetti out of the mold. If necessary, use a knife to help loosen it from the sides. And voila! You now have your very own biodegradable confetti that you can feel good about using on your big day. Where to buy biodegradable confetti? If you are looking for biodegradable confetti, there are a few places you can look. Many online retailers sell biodegradable confetti, and it is also available at some brick-and-mortar stores. Once you have your confetti, be sure to read the packaging to find out the best way to dispose of it. Biodegradable confetti should be composted in order to break down properly. All in all, it is important to take the time to consider your wedding confetti options and weigh the pros and cons of each. Biodegradable wedding confetti is becoming increasingly popular due to its environmental benefits and commitment to sustainability. However, some couples may prefer traditional colored confetti for a more classic look or metallic foil petals for a hint of sparkle. Ultimately, it is up to you as a couple to decide which option will work best for your big day. Please like, comment, share and subscribe.